Changing the manager code. Now this is usually done by the locksmith or the safe manufacturer who has installed your safe lock. But if 111111, 6 ones, still is a valid code in the system, you'll want to change that one too. So to test it, just enter 6 ones. See if the lock opens. In our case, the lock has opened because it's still set at default. Yours has probably been changed by the locksmith or safe manufacturer, and they store that with your safe serial number to use as a reset code if ever you have problems with the user code that you're using. Now, the process to change the manager code is the same as changing the user code. Press zeros to get into change code mode. So you press 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you enter the code you want to change. In our case, 111111, and it beeps. You want to change it to a new code. I'll just do 121212. It beeps. And then you repeat 121212, and it beeps twice. And that indicates that you have successfully changed that manager code. So now when we enter 121212, the lock will open. So that's how you change any code in the SafeLogic basic system. 6 zeros, existing code, new code, new code.